see it on my channel yet, but today I decided to go with the Lucas Slick Mist Speed Wax, and let me tell you, I am very happy with it. I'm not sure if it's because the color of my car, the Velocity Blue, or the condition of the paint, or what it is, but I tried all the ceramic coatings. I tried graphite, and they would just leave smear marks. I even tried all the towels you could possibly use. They would leave marks. So I gave this Lucas a shot, and I'm really happy with it. Let me share it with you. I know it's gonna look like the same old car, but man, it's so clean. I'm so happy about it. And for the price, it's like right in the middle. You know, I only paid 11 bucks for the bottle, but yeah, I'm very happy with it. This car is 2 years old basically. Yeah, it is 2 years old, and still looks great, still looks new. And I have no ceramic coating, none of that PPF crap that everyone's always doing. I get it, it's good, and it's not because of the money. I really don't beat on this car. I don't drive it much. It's like my weekend warrior kind of, but I'm in town. I take it on the highway every once in a while. I mean, I don't have any chips or scratches or nothing on it. It looks great. So I mean, yeah, some of you are probably thinking I'm stupid and I should just get the PPF or ceramic coat it. If I did do anything, it would be PPF. I don't really care for the ceramic coat. It's not gonna stop me from getting chips and all that. Help you with car washes, but I know I could be wrong. Some of you guys live and die by the ceramic coating, but not me. I'll do the PPF though, probably in the front, and that's about it. Keep my car up to, you know, date with all its washes, and make sure I put my own coatings on it, because even if you get ceramic coating out of the bottle that you just spray on, that stuff holds its strength for a few months still. So, but yep, that's the car. Just wanted to share it with you guys, man. Hope you all had a blessed 4th of July. Everyone stay healthy, take care of yourself, take care of your car. For all my Mustang lovers, you know, hopefully you all had a blessed 4th of July, and catch you guys next time. All right, bye.